Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all my viewers out there. This is once again Teacher Michelle, your teacher with a heart. So here I am again. Actually, I am creating this Thanksgiving video, no? Since I just learned this morning that I have had 13 subscribers. So even though for other YouTubers or vloggers out there, this might be a few, but for someone who have just started, no, sharing my knowledge, sharing everything that I know to prepare for this new normal, I am so grateful and honored to have this much subscribers as of this moment. So as of this point, I would like to encourage still other people, other viewers, may you be teachers, parents, or students, to please continue to click on my subscribe button on my YouTube channel so that we can share even more greater scope, no, of learning this new normal. Alright? So thank you again. Thank you so much. And this has been Teacher Michelle signing off. Bye-bye.